What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best 360 cameras on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Insta360 RS. For those seeking a 360 camera with a more conventional action camera design, the Insta360 RS stands out as an excellent choice. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Insta360 this camera features an innovative modular design that allows users to interchange the 360 lens with alternatives like a wide-angle 4K camera or a camera equipped with a 1-inch sensor. This versatility caters to a variety of shooting scenarios. The Insta360 RS boasts several noteworthy features, including video stabilization and a user-friendly app with robust editing tools, providing users with comprehensive control over their footage. The camera's display can be swiveled to face forward, facilitating easy framing for selfie videos. However, its compact screen size, relative to competitors like the GoPro, may present challenges in navigating on-screen menus. While the Insta360 RS shares a resemblance to older GoPro models, it requires a frame for mounting, similar to its predecessors. Nevertheless, its adaptability and diverse functionality make it a standout performer in the realm of versatile 360 cameras. Whether capturing immersive 360-degree footage or utilizing alternative lenses for specific scenarios, the Insta360 RS excels in delivering a compelling and dynamic shooting experience. Number 2. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max stands out among 360 cameras by incorporating a small display on its back, allowing users to view the perspectives of its cameras directly. While the display may not be as practical as it initially seems, its generous size facilitates easy navigation and adjustments to the Max's settings without relying on a smartphone. Equipped with GoPro's Hyper-Smooth stabilization feature, the Max ensures that even footage captured in challenging conditions appears smooth and steady. The camera excels in delivering high-quality images with a maximum resolution of 6K at 30 FPS, adhering to GoPro's renowned standards for image excellence. Additionally, the GoPro app offers a wealth of features, including the capability to live stream video directly from the Max. One notable design aspect is the requirement for a selfie stick, and the absence of a tripod mount necessitates the use of GoPro's accessories. Despite its higher price tag of $499 compared to the Insta360 X2, the GoPro Max justifies its cost with exceptional performance and a robust feature set, making it a reliable choice for users seeking top-tier capabilities in the realm of 360 cameras. Number 3. Ricoh Theta Z1. For users prioritizing image quality in their 360 camera, the Ricoh Theta Z1 emerges as a top-tier option, particularly in low-light conditions. Overcoming the limitations often associated with small sensor sizes in 360 cameras, the Z1 boasts two 1-inch, backside illuminated CMOS sensors. This design choice contributes to delivering exceptional images, setting a new standard for 360 cameras and excelling in challenging lighting scenarios. The dual microphones on the Theta Z1 ensure high-quality audio capture, enhancing the overall multimedia experience. Effective motion stabilization further adds to the camera's appeal, providing steady footage even in dynamic settings. Operating on an Android-based system, the Z1 offers versatility, and Ricoh's decision to allow third-party developers to create plugins enhances its functionality. However, a few drawbacks include the absence of expandable storage, a relatively short battery life, and the need to use two different apps for photo and video editing. Despite these limitations, if image quality is the paramount consideration, the Ricoh Theta Z1 stands out as the camera of choice, offering unparalleled performance in the realm of 360 cameras. Number 4. Vecnos EKEY. The Vecno ZKey stands out as a compact and swift 360 camera tailored for users who prioritize instant photo and video capture. With a lightning-fast startup, the camera ensures users can seize the moment without delay. Its small and pen-like form factor enhances portability, allowing easy storage in a pocket for on-the-go use. The eQuis companion app adds a creative touch to the captured content by transforming photos into mini-movies, providing a convenient means of sharing with a broader audience. While the image quality may not match the standards set by competitors like Insta360 and GoPro, the eQuis simplicity and ease of use make it an appealing choice, particularly for influencers and users focused on quick, spontaneous content creation. However, one potential area for improvement is the app's functionality. Users might desire additional features or options within the app to enhance their creative capabilities. Despite this, the Vecno ZKey caters to a niche audience seeking a hassle-free and nimble 360 camera for capturing and sharing moments effortlessly. Number 5. Samsung Gear 360. Samsung's Gear 360 camera, introduced in 2017, retains its relevance as a practical and enjoyable 360-degree capture device. The camera's distinctive lollipop-like design ensures comfortable one-handed operation, and its durability is evident with resistance to splashes. Additionally, a tripod mount feature enhances versatility, allowing users to attach it to various surfaces, such as bikes. Equipped with the capability to capture high-quality photos and videos, including 4K resolution, the Gear 360 offers a well-rounded imaging experience. Notably, the camera supports live streaming to popular platforms like Facebook and YouTube, adding a dynamic element to content creation. However, there are considerations for potential users. The Gear 360's seamless compatibility is limited to Samsung smartphones, specifically from the Galaxy S6 and onwards. While partial support is extended to the iPhone 7 and newer models, certain features may not be fully accessible. For Samsung smartphone users, the Gear 360 serves as an entertaining and functional accessory, providing an immersive approach to capturing and sharing moments. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.